Thank you very much. It's a real pleasure to be here. Yeah, I'm Jake Berg, and I'm going to play a few songs for you tonight.
I've been thinking about the way the world turns and my stomach churns when it finally hits me out of the sky. I knew this day would come. I'm on the front line. Whoa, don't know how to take it in. These lunches suffering, 'cause I can see where the chapter ends. I've got ordinary and heartbreak dreams inside, 'cause you had me on this frozen sea we slide.